Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying on lashes at 3 a.m. because why not? When you can't sleep and you're sick, why not do makeup? So Kiss was nice enough to send me some lashes. I'm pretty excited because I like their lashes, and their lash glue is one of my favorite lash glues because it doesn't become all sticky and just hard to get out later on. So you can keep it for a long time. They gave me 3 different lashes and we're going to try them out today. What also came in the box was this little cute compact mirror. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I needed a compact mirror for a while because I don't usually take mirrors with me when I go out because I never decided to like buy a small one, and I'm like, waste of time. But now I got one for free, so that's cool. They gave me my favorite lash glue and I love it. I love this lash glue. They actually gave me another glue that I have not tried yet. I'm pretty excited to try it though because I like their other lash glue, so why not try this one as well? So this is the first lash we're trying. I don't know how to say that name, but here it is. It's another word in front of it, but I'm just gonna call it porter lashes for right now. But I'm excited for the porter lashes because I've been getting more into smaller lashes now compared to like really big deer lashes, and I need to calm down with that. Seriously, like, ooh, came out pretty nicely out the box. The box is really nice. I'm probably gonna keep these boxes actually. Here's the lash. Oh my god. People who don't trim their lash before they put it on stress me out. Like aka my best friend. I told her so many times that you have to trim lashes before you put them on, and she just does not care. She just puts it on and just be wondering why it looked crazy. And I'm like, girl, what is wrong with you? This past weekend I just told her that you're supposed to trim them. She was like, oh, I didn't know that. I was like, girl, I told you this so many times. What do you mean you don't know? What? Anyways, so I'm using my old Kiss lash glue and it's still good, so I'm still using it. And then I bought another one recently so I can have more glue, but then they sent me another one and they sent me like 2 different glues, so I'm like, well, I got a lot of glue now, so I guess that's pretty cool. I won't run out and I don't have to buy anymore, so that's nice. Hopefully I can do it one and done and it looks cute because I used to struggle so much with lashes. You know what I actually used to struggle with a lot? My eyebrows. My sister used to do my eyebrows and I would do her eyeshadow. And then I learned how to do my own eyebrows. Look at that. We did a whole 360, bro. Another trick I learned for you to put on lashes is to take the actual lash glue, right? Take the actual lash glue and put it on your lash line so it could be easier to put on. Sometimes I don't feel like diddling and struggling trying to put the daggone lash on, so I'll just put it on my eyelid and call it a day, bro. Honestly, I really hate being sick. It's so annoying because I can't do what I want. Don't look too hard on my hair, but these lashes are so natural looking, and honestly, I think I like these. I like these a lot. I'll wear these for like everyday lashes and they're so comfortable. I don't even feel them on my lids. The words in front, porter lashes, that's what these lashes are, and they're so cute. OMG, I would literally go out and buy these myself. That I know. On to the next lash. This is the second lash we're trying. It's called Avant-Garde. Avant-Garde lashes. Ready? There is a method to my madness. These are the Avant-Garde lashes, and I could say they're a little more dramatic than the other lashes that I had on, and these are giving as well. I like this. I like this a lot. Don't pay attention to this eyelash because it might be a little wonky. I was struggling trying to get it on, okay? Struggling. But I will say, I love these as well. I feel like they open up my eyes wider. I'm looking brighter, not even tired, just, you know what I'm saying? I like these a lot. I'm really feeling these lashes, like for real. I'm feeling them. These might be my favorite. You know what? Let me shut up until I try the third ones and then we'll talk there. Next lash. The third lash we're trying is Haute Couture. Pretty excited for these because I like big lashes, you know what I'm saying? The most dramatic of them all. Haute Couture. Haute Couture, baby. My tweezers almost got stuck on the eyelash. I honestly hate it when my tweezers get stuck on my eyelash because then it takes the whole eyelash off and you just in there like, I put all this glue in here and for what? Just for it to get taken off by the tweezers? Like, really? They're the most dramatic ones out of the box. You know what I mean? Woo! Almost got stuck again. It looks a tiny bit wonky, but I always have a problem with my right eye because I am left-handed. So being a lefty trying to work on your right is hard. You know what? I love these too. I love all the lashes. There's not much else I can say. These lashes are really nice. These are my go-to lashes. These are the lashes that I would wear out on a daily because I like dramaticness. I like the dramatics. I would like to blink and be able to fly away. You know what I'm saying? Go big or go home. I mean, I know these aren't like too big, not like, you know, the really, really big ones, but these are just good enough for me. Any more, my eyes will look a little smaller and then I'll be struggling to blink because the eyelashes will be too heavy. I really don't think I have a fave anymore. Like, all of these are so nice looking, I don't even know what to do. Braiding them is kind of dumb because it's like, it depends on what style you're going for, you know what I mean? The Avant-Garde ones are really nice and the Porter ones are really nice. But Haute Couture, I think, takes the cake because this is my style of lash and I love it a lot. And I would say Avant-Garde comes second and then Porter comes third because they're really small. But if you're going for that really, really natural type look, then it will be number one on my list. But I'm not trying to go for natural. I'm trying to look fake. I want to look like a Barbie doll. I don't want to go for a natural look right now. I'm trying to look bossed up like a Barbie doll. Some people just don't understand that sometimes makeup is meant for you to look fake. And that's what it means for me right now. I'm trying to look fake. I'm not trying to look like a real person. I'm not trying to look natural, trying to sweep people off their feet. No, I'm trying to look fake. Okay? That's why I got these lashes on. But who cares? Makeup doesn't have any rules, okay? And if y'all start talking BS in the comments, talking about some, oh, makeup does have rules, you have to do your eyebrows like this. Shut up. I didn't ask. We just here to have a great, good time. But anyways, back to these lashes. Yeah, Haute Couture is my fave. Haute Couture is number one for me. I like these a lot. And then Avant-Garde and then Porter. Yep. All right, people. That is it for this video. Thanks for coming on this ride and trying eyelashes on with me at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. trying on lashes. Oh my god. I feel like I make most of my videos all the way in like the morning, like the AMs, like 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 2 a.m. and then the video just ends up being long when I'm actually recording it, but then when I edit it, it's like cut short. Anywho, I have more videos coming out soon. Pretty excited for that. I hope you guys are excited as well. Next video is probably gonna be a reaction video. Ooh, Ooh, we like those, so we probably gonna do that next. I have a whole plan of what I'm gonna do this month and next month. I already have an idea of what videos I'm gonna record. Hopefully I follow the schedule and it goes well. But so far I've been good at keeping up with my schedule because I already planned it out and I'm like, okay, well, yeah. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you wanna, like if you wanna, and stalk my other social medias if you wanna, and hopefully I will see y'all in the next one. Oh!